Classic Melv. Hardly working. Hardly working.
I'm looking stuff up.
Uh-huh.
Into the transfer case for it to mount back to the transmission. Basically what it does is it repositions it so the axle has a different angle, giving the drive shaft a better angle. We have the new seal in. We fixing to get the transfer case back in. Plot the right position, so it should drop the transfer case just a little bit lower, so the front drive shaft angles will sit pretty parallel. All right, so we got the transfer case back in, bolts are torqued, they're all put back in place. We got the transmission cross member in. We're fixing to torque everything down, attach all the drive lines in, and start on the rear. So you can tell the front drive line, even at full droop, is not as bad with that. Clock turns the transfer case down so the front drive line can come down and reposition the angle. So obviously this is at full droop, but once we get the wheels on the ground, that axle should be pretty parallel.
All right, I am back. Mondo and Melv did a pretty good job of recording everything, I think. I don't know. I'll have to review it when I get home, but I trust them. So we got pretty much all of the front end done. Did you explain why the headlights and mirrors are gone?
No.
No? Okay. So this is gonna be like a complete build. This is like the perfect shop truck to advertise his company, because he's actually gonna get his headlights color matched as well as the mirrors. So if you guys don't know already, the headlights are gonna get done by Phil with Fast Headlights in Somerville, South Carolina. He probably does one of the best work around here, and everyone I know takes the headlights to him to get it color matched and built. All right, dudes, what else do we gotta do?
That cross member, and then start on the rear and wrap it up.
Heck yeah, and then throw the wheels on just to see what they look like.
We'll throw the wheels on.
Heck yeah. So the wheels are 26 by 16 KG1 forged. What's the model number?
It's a burnout.
It's a burnout, so you better do a burnout.
I don't know.
Tires are too new? Dang!
Fury 1550.
Bro, that is fat. Yo.
And we are going to run a 2-inch shifted industry spacers.
Woo! Okay, you're a little
Kinda top
crazy.
it off.
I know, this is gonna be the fattest 6-inch I've ever seen. Dude, holy cow. I mean, the 16s are already like stupid wide.
Yep.
Good, look at that dip. Not dip, dish. Here's my iPhone, what, 11 Max or whatever. You could put like,
That's fine.
you could put
Right there.
yeah, you could put like iPhone and a half in here. Dude, that's crazy. Are they true directional? Are they directional wheels?
No.
They're not?
No.
For a forged wheel, they're not directional?
Yeah. I honestly didn't know that until I think it was, I forgot whose video was it. It was either yours or Jack. Somebody.
No, it was his. When we mounted his, it was on my truck.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
when you're talking about he was going KG1, somebody
Yeah.
commented in the comments said they're not true directional. I was like,
Oh, really?
So I looked it up and I was like, damn, they're not.
Oh, I didn't even see that comment.
Yeah, somebody commented on the video, so they're not.
And he messaged me and he's like, they're not true directional, and I was like, I don't even know.
Yeah, we didn't even think about looking up before we bought them.
Dang. I mean, you would assume that.
Yeah, forged wheels, you would think.
Yeah.
I mean, they're doing cast wheels true directional now too, so I would have assumed.
But the finish on them is really nice.
So I mean, I guess if you guys want KG1 forged because they aren't directional, I guess find some that's got the like a straight edge pattern.
Yeah, they got other styles that aren't like directional style wheels. That
I think the concave series are cool.
Concave series? So here we have an update on the Ram, on the Cummins build. 6-inch Mcgaughy's lift kit has been installed. Looks amazing, look at that. So far, 6-inch Mcgaughy's lift kit has been installed. The wheels and tire setup is 26 by 16 KG1 forged. I mean, these are absolutely ridiculous how wide they are. I have an iPhone XS Max, so this is a big iPhone, and look, you can fit about iPhone and a half. So yeah, that is absolutely crazy. We'll compare that to my 14 wides. These are the 24 by, or 22 by 14. So look, yeah. So these are super wide, and it's got 35 1550 Fury MTs. The only thing I'm always kind of skeptical about Fury sizing, especially the width, is this is a 16 wide wheel, 35 1550. So these tires are 15 and a half wide, but they are very stretched on these wheels. So theoretically, if it's like 15 and a half, it really shouldn't be that stretched out. You know what I mean? So like this is 15 and a half, and my amp tires are 14 and a half on 14 wides, and it's sitting flush. So you would expect that to be the same way, but it's not. So that's always kind of a thing that's I'm a little iffy about. However, I am getting a set of 38 1550 Fury MTs on my L5P build because I'm gonna go with a 9-inch lift. And Mark's already got that exact same tire. Boom, look at that. Fury Off-Road 38 by 1550 24s. And they are thick and tall, which is, I think this is a perfect tire. Not gonna lie, this might be the perfect tire for that build. It's just gonna squeeze just right in. It's just, you're gonna barely clear it, I think, which is gonna be perfect. And I've never really been a huge fan of Fury tires, like I'm not gonna lie, just because they've never been true to size in terms of width. But I will say, I'm gonna give them credit. I will say, these are about 15 and a half wide. You said it might even be 16 wide.
Yeah, when I measured from the little, I guess, what is this, design on the side,
Yeah.
from here to here, I had almost 16 with the
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is about their 35s that doesn't seem truly 15 and a half wide like the 38s. The 6-inch lift, Mcgaughy's. He got his tow mirrors painted from his painter, in which that same person is going to be paint matching my tow mirrors on my L5P. You may be wondering, like, what do you mean you're getting it paint matched? So if you look at my L5P tow mirrors, they're texture black, but I want them to be like painted smooth black, which I'm gonna be doing that with the fender flares, and I'm even thinking about painting the grill and everything, because I want that murdered out look. Now that I don't have like a Denali, if I had a Denali, I would have kept some of the chrome pieces and have accent colors, have chrome as an accent piece, because I think that's what makes it a Denali. But now that I have an AT4, like I don't have a Denali, so I think I'm just gonna completely murder it out. Hence why I got black wheels, which I will show you guys. That's a different video for my L5P, but I got black wheels for the L5P because I just wanted to completely black it out, and my lift kit is just gonna be the Mcgaughy's black stainless steel kit. So keep on the lookout for that. Here we have Mondo's Cummins on Mcgaughy's 6-inch, and the grill is actually getting painted, or it may already been painted. So we'll show you guys a complete reveal video. And then the headlights are getting built by Phil because we really wouldn't trust anyone else to mess with our headlights. So Phil is doing the headlights for this truck, and I've already seen some pictures of it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. He completely killed it, so keep on the lookout for like the complete reveal video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on how this truck looks with the Mcgaughy's lift. This sits pretty tall, a lot taller than I'd expected, because this is a 4.5 inch kit on 33s, 6 inch kit on 35s. Yeah, he's definitely gonna need some amp steps pretty soon. But let's look at the stance. Oh yeah, she's fat. 16 watts is ridiculous. I think Amanda's gonna put 2 inch wheel spacers on the side too. And then here we have my 14 watts. I think mine seem a little wider just because of tires. But yeah, 16 watts are definitely ridiculous.